on the system, how to go about it from the scratch to imputing the last products, or which is the picks and the other ones. Then planning share system with the class. Hopefully, if it's fully, although it's not fully charged, but at least I'll be able to see if I can share it with the class. That will make me explain better what I've done so far for this week.
Okay, you want to share?
You said?
You want to share your screen? Let me give you the right to share your screen.
Hold on, let me on my system.
Okay. Let me make you guys all of you presenters. Share your screen. I'm going to continue to present now. Just seeing new people here. Tina, okay, I'm getting on. Hi, Tina. Can you be joining us? Okay. I guess our next step is Philly. While we wait for us to get our system ready. So joining classes on Friday, you should just get your system ready because you know what to have at hand, right? You know what to have at hand. Friday is up. Are you back? Are you okay?
I'm trying to open the Figma site on the system.
I mean, can you hear AB or is it from my end? Why is it difficult to
I
get
can
your
hear
system?
her, yeah. Yeah, I can hear her.
Why is it starting from my end?
What did you say?
It's starting from my own end.
Maybe it's your network, but I can hear her clearly. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. She's getting her own system ready. I mean, I guess you should do same too. Right? You get your own system ready. If you ready, you can actually present before the does that. You know.
What did you say?
If your own system ready, so you present before she's done fixing her own work.
I'm not sharing anything to you.
You are not sharing anything to me.
Like, yes, I will just explain some few things, even though you said,
Well,
hello?
you can share it. So send me where I can share my screen.
You see there now, you see share screen. You see share button. I made you a presenter. Click on that share there. You can share your screen from that place.
I'll just
Share
explain
button, then
some few
what?
things.
Shared button. I've clicked on shared button.
So what did it ask? What did it prompt you to do?
To invite people to edit, move, or then there's
No,
one part it says who can anyone.
It's not on Figma. Can you hear me? It's not on Figma.
Yes.
Share on me.
Share. I'm not seeing any form of share on. There's one
Share on Teams. Microsoft
question.
Teams. Things that we are using for this call. Share there. Share your screen from there.
Oh, I do that. Let me check. I think this is where they're taking it.
We are using Teams for the call, right?
No, I'm actually trying to share it from the system. So I'm trying to see. You now said we should go to the test project area. So I want to see if I can
No.
share it from there.
What I said. I said share your screen from Teams. We are using Teams for the call, right? We are using Teams for the class. Just click and share from Teams application. So if you share your entire screen, to share your screen. So when you navigate to Figma on your website, on your browser, you'll be seeing it from here.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah. I'm not seeing any side where they're saying share. Okay. Share. There's a part I've seen share. They say share link, share, send to your device and create whether QR code.
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah, you.
Can
Yeah,
anyone hear?
that. Yeah, we can see you.
See, we
We can
can
hear you.
hear you. They said your Microsoft team, where you see camera more, you omit your mic, then you see share beside it. Press that share. Then you see screen, window, or tab. So share, when you click on it, you see entire screen. So you click on it.
Oh, okay. Let me
On the Microsoft
Microsoft
team,
team.
yeah. Where we mute and our mic beside the camera, you see share.
Are you yet to figure that out?
I've not yet figured it out, but just be going on with the class. When I figure it out, I'll be able to. If I
Right? There's no big step to this, right? You have the place you mute and unmute yourself, right? That particular place you mute and unmute yourself. Beside that camera, you see a share button. Okay, you're joining with your
on the system.
are you joining with your phone?
I'm joining with my phone, but I'm on my system to like if I could get access to maybe share the link or something. That's why
Okay,
on the system.
share the Figma file. Share the Figma file, yes. But you guys should really learn how to share screens. It's that simple now, right? Go learn how to share screens on. You've shared your screen already. I guess it's your screen I'm seeing. Beside people, you still share there. That's share for screen. Since you're not joining with your system, just join with your system and share your screen, right? So while she's figuring that out, let's hear from you. I mean that what do you have for us today?
I'm here. I didn't start with on Monday, but I will just explain few things I understand, which is from design thinking process. But I didn't attend the class. I just watched the video, then I summarized. So I'll explain what I understand from there. So I should go on, right?
Yeah, should do.
Can
Yeah.
you hear me? Okay, fine.
You can hear me.
Just accept it the way I explain, because I don't attend the class, so I just watch the video. So from the video, so I'm able to learn design process, which is you said about the empathize with the user. That is, you have to understand someone else's feeling or thought in a situation. That is, you have to put yourself in a situation as that particular person. So you have to empathize with them, know their feelings and their thoughts. So there, so you can get an empathy map. That is, it is this empathy map help us to get into the mindsets of the user, and it will allow us to identify their pain point. And the pain point is just like an issue, anything that frustrates the user in getting access to that particular product or app. Yes. So from there, we can be able to create a persona. When you identify their pain points, you'll be able to create a persona. And you said a persona is a fictional character which you created based upon the research that you do from the user research. Yeah. Then it said after you do a research, then you have to know about their about you define their problem. You said their problem, that is whatever you gather from the interview. So you'll be able to state their problem. So from then, when you get the problem, then you go to ideation stage. That is, you brainstorm, you gather the documents, all the ideas you get from the excuse me, you gather the ideas you get from the problem that you stated. So from there, the ideation state, you talk about, I saw a competitive audit. So in a situation whereby maybe you want to design an app, so you have to go check the other competitor outside to know what they have designed. So you check so many, maybe like 5 or 4, you can check around, then so that you'll be able to redesign your own in a beautified way. So you said, then from there, when you get the idea and state all the problem, then you can now prototype, you wireframe, then that is the low fidelity we did yesterday. So from there, then we'll now then you talk about an architect or something. So we have not done that. I don't really know that one yet. But you said we are going to do wireframe, which is the low um fidelity. We are going to sketch the idea we get from the interview we did. So you said we are going to sketch it out. So when we sketch it out, we'll be able to understand the design we are going to get. That will give us the high fidelity. So we give us the design of our mobile app. So that's what I learned so far this week. Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, with you. You
Yeah.
okay? It's all right. You guys have questions for her? Do you have questions for Aminat? That she believes she's all right. It's okay. Did you work on anything, any design related stuff this week?
No, sir. I'm not sure yet. Still on it.
Okay, what about the projects we talked about?
Yeah, you said we are going to submit next week. You gave us this weekend, so I want to work on it very well. I don't want to rush myself.
Okay.
So by Monday,
Yeah,
I'll submit it, sir.
okay. This is the fourth assignment, right? One, two, three, four. This is the fourth assignment. Yeah.
Yes, I've done the persona. I sent it to you on what we sent it to you, but you said I don't know. Should I show you? I don't. I try to do some
Yeah, I
things.
will request it when the time comes. I will request for it.
All right, all right, all right. Although
So
you
you
know, we have
guys now,
already
you know
changed
that
the assignment.
that's what I wanted to say now. You know, as we've changed from we are starting from the beginning, right?
So we have to leave that
Can you
one.
guys hear? Yeah, just leave that one. Conduct a fresh interview, right? Conduct a fresh interview. Um, still draft your persona, still draft your persona, and then start your wireframe. You just have to be fast about it. Do you guys get me? Yeah, people wants to say something.
Yes, we get you, sir.
It's all right.
I didn't know I
So
was
it's that
getting.
simple. Just get on board, right? Conduct a fresh interview as soon as possible. Draft a persona, then as well start your wireframe. Like you just have to be fast about it. This is not a new experience. This is something that has been in play, right? Is it has been in existence. You just need to modernize it. You just need to modernize it. So that's that. Okay, it's good hearing from Aminat, but I wasn't so convinced. I wasn't so comfortable that you didn't show us what you did. You didn't show us going to show us what you did on Figma. But no problem. We pardon you today. I guess we won't pardon you again next time. Yeah. Then we have
Thank you, sir.
Jebin. Jebin, good morning. Are you there?
Yes, good morning, sir.
Yeah, welcome. So we are
Thank
discussing
you.
on what we have today. So I guess it's your time to lecture us on what you learned this week.
Sir, please, can I take permission to do that on in our Monday class?
No, just tell us what you learned today. We are not giving we are not giving any
Um,
permission.
I I just logged in, so I wasn't I wasn't here in the beginning of today's
Yeah,
class.
that's what I'm saying now. Like what you grasped throughout this week's lecture. Tell us what you grasped. Just tell us what you learned this week. I know you are not here during the beginning of the class. No problem. We pardon you for that. So just tell us.
Um,
Yes.
what did I do? Okay. So Monday's class. Although I'm not so ready, but let me try.
Yeah, you have to try. Just tell us something.
Okay, so from Monday class, we are taught how to do an interview for um, a product, and then when you're doing your interview, you have to bear in mind the demographics of your clients, the product, and the who and who uses this product. What challenge do they face when they are using this product, and possibly what suggestions can they give to make for the UI UX designer, or to improve on the product. And then After conducting your interview, you then go into doing your user persona.
We are still listening. Are you done?
Yes.
Whoa, seriously? Oh, okay. At least you got something. Although, right, it's okay. You got something. Although that's not so convincing, but you tried. That's okay. So we have you heard from JB, have we? Yes.
Yes.
Then Tina, have you heard from Tina? Then we have Islamiyat. Islamiyat, good morning. I don't know if it's from the signal or what. Just continue. Let's just start something today. Let's just start something today. So we move to our Figma. Let me open Figma. But you are raising your hand. Any challenge?
Okay, so let me briefly explain what I understand so far. So this week you taught us about design thinking, and I can also say design thinking is like is a process you take to be able to design a user interface. So then in order for you to be able to actualize that, first the number one part of it is empathy. Then the second is define. The third is ideate. The fourth is prototype, and the fifth is testing. So, and you talked about empathy. It's a very vital stage, which we actually help you to go through the process. So empathy is like you trying to, understand the users, trying to know what they want, putting yourself in their shoe, and and how to get that is by, you conduct user interview, you engage one-on-one conversation with the users, then you can still then from there you'll be able to what their pain point actually is. So then from there the next one is define. From there you'll be able to define what they actually want and how you should be able to design the user interface for them so they could use it properly. Then you ideate. The ideating process is when you're able to, you generate a wide range of activities. You're able to, you compare and contrast. You check other competitors, and you are able to know how to improve it better. So you're able to know how to improve
the user face, the interface, the design is better so that the users will be able to use it well. Then after then you go, you prototype. Prototyping is like a pictorial structure that helps the user to know, to I don't know how to put it. It's like a pictorial structure that helps the user to know what you are designing, and to actually, it can actually enhance them to be able to flow properly, enhance to know if they are actually cool with what you designed, or you can. So it's just like a way of helping you to know if you could do better, or if there's any changes you need to make. So it's just like a will I just say, you make mention of like when one is trying to build a you are trying to have your own personal building, you must have some structural things or something designed to be able to, it's just like a picture of what the future holds. So it's just for you to know how it's going to look like, in the future. So I think I tried with that. Then we go further with testing. And testing is like it's still the process of prototyping. Then we now went further to talk about persona. So after your design thinking process, after empathizing, you know what the user need, and you know their pain points, and how to actually, you structure the questions. So from then you draft out your persona. Then your persona talks about, it carries the person's biography, the frustration, the goals. So the goals, that is what you are supposed to, infuse into that design to make it better, to make it usable for the user. So then after that, we went to wireframing. Wireframing is like another stage of it's another stage of, okay, let me say it's the basic stage. Yeah, before prototyping. Wireframe is like the basic. After drafting your user persona, then wireframe is like the basic stage. You draft out things in the lines and rectangles and shapes. So it's like a way of representing how the user interface is going to look like. So that is wireframing. Then from wireframing, you can now move to higher fidelity. So wireframe is of two types: it's low fidelity and high fidelity. So the low fidelity is the one with shapes and lines. Then the high fidelity is the transition of the low fidelity. So the higher fidelity has pictures, a proper representation of how the user interface is going to look like. So that is it, sir. That is all I can explain. Thank you.
It's all right. That's a nice try from people. Do you have questions for people? Any question, house? Nobody has asked question today. Jebin, Islamiyat, Aminat, and Tina. Do you have questions for people? Ask something, say something. Jebin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I said say something, ask her something. She made a presentation. Do you have questions for her?
No questions from my end.
What of Islamiyat? Aminat. Okay. So, but they said you've done well. They don't have questions for you. That's nice. That was a nice presentation actually. You really did well. So I guess I'll brief you guys again about the project and leave you guys to do your job, right? Leave you guys. I wanted to further teaching, but I will kind of bridge what you're having because you guys are kind of you still behind, right? From what we changed yesterday, you see that you guys are still behind. So what you have to do today is conduct your design interview again, right? We've changed the project for the benefit of those that weren't in class yesterday. We changed our prompts from designing a career service app to designing an app to book dispatch riders. Designing an app to book dispatch riders. So that's what we'll be working on, right? So you guys should go and do your research, conduct your user research, create your persona, and jump on the wireframe. You have this weekend to do all of that. Today is for user research. Tomorrow, being said today, is for persona and beginning of your wireframe. Then you complete it on Sunday against Monday. You'll be seeing that on Monday, please. Remember, we are behind schedule, so we're just trying to catch up with time. Right? You're trying to catch up with time. So use today and conduct your user research. You already know how to do this, so it's not news to you now, right? You already know how to do that. Conduct your user research, right? Get your persona, then last do your wireframe from now to Sunday. Now to Sunday. So we'll see that on Monday, right? On Monday, we'll start talking about high fidelity. From Monday, we start talking about high fidelity and prototype, the rest of it, right? If you have questions, you can raise. So I will leave you guys to go do your job.
Please, I have a question, please. Well,
Okay, I will too.
and it's concerning the assignment 3 that you gave us. I'm still having issue with the frame.
Which
Yeah,
frame?
that long frame. Yeah, is on assignment 3. I don't know if you can open your Figmas. I just want to ask some questions on.
I'm trying to open that now. Just give me a sec.
Okay, okay.
The long frame. How did we do that? I guess it should be from here. Is it test project?
Yeah,
You remember?
no, the second I think it's the second assignment.
Okay, let me check this one. Roll your boat. Get you down. don't know why it's not loading. Let's speed my acting up today. Let's stop another session. Let's load some of them. Let's do on that loads first. Are you with your system so you can share your screen? I don't know why Figma is not opening here.
Okay, let me try to. Let me open my Figma. Come, still loading.
Yours is still loading. Are you facing the same
Yes,
thing?
I'm just opening my Figma. Yeah. You said? No, I'm trying to open it now. I don't know yet. Just open it. Let's
Okay.
see.
Roll, 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 roll.
I think it's the network. Let me try to load it. The network.
You're still facing the same thing.
Yeah, it's not open yet. Figma. Yeah.
As your own loaded.
Oh,
Yeah, your
it's
own.
not even opening at all. It's the network. If anybody can open. These are Figma at sha. So I can show him. 'Cause I'm not having issue with that frame. I'm trying to design it, but poor network quality. Yeah,
I don't. Okay.
it's
Can I
opening.
explain the problem?
It's opening now, sure. You said, can you what?
The problem you're having on the Figma. This is something I can explain verbally.
Yeah, if you can, no, then sir.
So ask your question. So let me.
So I'm having an issue on that long frame. I don't know if I want to align. I don't know how to do that first because it's kind of long and kind of I don't know how to even explain it. Then if I want to put an icon, the eye to you for that long frame. That's the way. Then if I want to align, I don't know I mean the ruler or the grid or I just don't want to design like that. At the end of the day, I wanted to if I wanted to prototype or not to not it will not even show at all. Because if you didn't do it well, it kind of detect everything because you use.
You know what?
I don't know.
Let's look
It's
at
giving
this
me
on
an issue.
Monday. Let's look at it on Monday. Let's look at it on Monday. Hence,
Okay.
because we would like to see. I'd like you to see to show me, right, to practicalize on it instead of just
Yeah.
talking about it.
That's the okay. Okay.
And just
That's the
work on
issue I'm
what you
having.
have.
Okay.
Yeah, work on what you have now.
Okay.
Work on what you have.
Okay.
Monday, just remind me, look at this.
All right.
All right. Any other questions?
I want to ask one question. While I was doing this Korea something on my system, I actually placed when I was doing the icons for those signals, those that are supposed to be on the screen to show that there's signal and or the Wi-Fi and the other this. After placing it in one of the frame, I wanted to copy, like group then copy and paste to other frames, but I couldn't do that. I don't know the reason why.
You can do that now. When you group your
If
anything you group on things, you can copy it.
no, what is showing on the Figma, what is showing is that whether I grouped everything with the frame, which I didn't. So I was now trying to see if I could, if there's a sort of explanation to that, because I wanted to copy just those ones. I wanted to arrange them where then copy it, then paste into other frames. But it's showing that I just copied it on the, I just copied it like I sorry, grouped all of them including the frame together with it, so I can't even remove those ones out. I don't know what to do about that because I didn't group the frame with it. That's why I was asking, if is it
So,
because I placed it directly on the, like, carry the icon and place it directly on that frame, is it at the cost, or if there's something else?
how grouping works, right? Any item, let's say you want to group three items, right? Any item you highlight, right? It remains highlighted,
Yeah.
and once you group the highlighted ones. So the mistake could be that when you are highlighting the icons, you highlighted the frame too, right? So it could be the
Oh,
mistake. So
okay.
when you see stuff like that, you can either select only the icons, or when you've made the mistake already,
Oh,
right? You double click
yeah.
on that group, then remove the. It would have been better if I'm showing you guys this on Figma, but I don't know why Figma is not just loading up. So if you could remember this question too, You can raise it up on Monday too. But the easy way to do that is just select, make sure you are selecting only the icons. Select only the
Okay.
icons, select them individually.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, it's all right. Any other challenge before we say goodbye? I mean, that's raised hand. I mean, do you have something to say?
Thank you. No, no,
Sir?
I said you.
Can't hear you. So key your name from the attendance on the chat box. So you don't forget the attendance. Sigma just chose to show. No problem. Okay, guys, write your name and we'll end here for today. Let's continue on Monday. So use this time to do your tasks. You have the weekend to do your tasks. You have three things to do, I guess. You have the user interview to do, you have your persona to draw, and you have your wireframe to draw. So this 3 to 4 days is enough to get all these things done, right? So equally enjoy your weekend, have fun, practice, design, and we'll meet again next week on Monday. See you guys on Monday. Bye guys.
Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me.
Okay, what's that?
No, I was raising my hand.
I
You
was,
didn't see me. Okay. Sorry to bring you back, sir. The other question, the other assignment you gave to us, that's the travel app and the other long food app. I wanted to know because the travel app I checked on Figma is actually not arranged. So I don't know I don't know how to, or I should just do it the way I see it.
it's not arranged, no, I didn't get that.
It's not arranged accordingly. I don't know which to. Okay, I know there's assignment 2, assignment 3, but the other travel app, I'm not seeing it. Like, I don't know, is it just the 3 screens?
Yeah, that travel app is just the 3 screens.
Okay, just the 3 screens. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, bye. Right. We meet again next week.
Thank you. Bye.
I mean, as you didn't discuss what you said you wanted to discuss with him again.
Yeah, I wanted to ask him about the assignment 2, which is that long frame. I'm having issue with it. I didn't really get that part. So please,
The
about these
long,
assignments, please. Yeah?
you're having
What did you
issue on the
say?
long frame.
I thought you said I thought you
Exactly.
said something about the long term already, right?
Yes, he said we are going to discuss it on Monday.
Yeah. I was trying to load my
We are
Figma.
just
You see
Okay,
what
you're
happened
here.
now?
Okay.
Yeah.
so you said what?
So that could but I was trying to load my Figma. Figma didn't load from my end, right? So we kind of
Okay, I think it's
shifted it to Monday.
All right, no problem.
I don't know if it's from the server because I've tried that on 2 different devices. It's not still loading up.
Yeah, I think it's
Maybe
network.
the problem
But
is maybe the
so
problem is from their own server or I don't know.
I guess it's network.
It's all right.
I mean, I'll please wait
So
on the
on
call.
Monday we will do that for but for now, pay more close attention to the project, right? This one, this
that
riders
2 minutes,
project,
sir.
pay more attention to it. Then when you're done with it, you can. continue with the other ones. Are you clear?
Okay. I think it
Are you
has
clear?
Yes.
opened.
It has
No,
opened.
sir. Yes.
Let me check now.
Right. And okay. I don't even know. I'm trying to.
Figma on its own is opening. The web page is opening, but my design files, none of them is opening. Is your own open?
Can you see
Did
my
you open
screen?
that?
Yes.
No, we can't see it.
Can you
Share
see
it
my?
now. Let's see. So, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Are you Mr. Okay?
Have you shared your screen?
Yes, I've shared my screen. You can see me. I'm coming.
We can
Can
see
you
it now.
see?
We can see it.
Can you see it? Exactly. I'm coming.
You can see. Just open the design file. Don't leave this place you're sharing. Let me see the design file. Zoom to that place.
Okay. Sorry, please. I'm coming. This. Yeah, assignment 3. Can you see it? Hello, can you see it?
Zoom in
Yes,
so we
we
can see.
can. Please zoom,
Zoom in
zoom.
so we can see it properly.
Okay, okay. So I'm having issue with this. Sorry, please, how do you
Zoom into the assignment
use
3 now. Like I'm not seeing.
you said you can't see it like this. I've
I
already
said
zoomed it.
zoom in. Zoom in. Maybe your network is
I've
kind of
already zoomed.
lagging.
Can you see it now?
Okay, just give it some time. Give it some time, maybe to load up. It's still the network, maybe it's lagging. It's still showing us that initial screen.
Okay. It's a network. Okay, let me go back so that you understand. Then
Okay.
can you see it now?
Mine has opened too.
Okay. So I'm having issue.
Not
Can you see
yet.
it now? Try it
Not
again.
yet. Not yet. Just relax. Let me share my screen. My own has opened.
Okay, okay. Good.
My screen is up, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so what's the question?
So I made this second frame. This yes. How okay? How do we get the alignments? I mean, you want to use a ruler. How do we know? Then this I on this part, I'm having issue with it. As in, it's kind of everything is inside here must be small. So I'm having issue with the alignment and what we are going to use.
Alignment.
Yeah. Yes, I mean
First
the
thing you do
side.
is to
Yes.
get. First thing you should do is get the frame size, right? Get the frame size. Check it. The width size is 171. 171. The input 171. Enter. That's the width size. See that it's the same width size. You keep it here. Check the corner radius. Okay, this is an image, so you won't see the corner radius again. So you play around with
Not
the
even
corner
the
radius.
frame.
What's the question now?
Okay. Just like You said you wanted to use grid for the side part. I mean the ruler.
For this,
Yeah, for the side.
for the margin,
Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Okay.
so any other, what's that? Any other challenge?
So another thing for these tests and all those stuffs, do we know the size we are going to use? The font size.
You must not use exactly this, right? But use something that is close
Okay.
enough to that.
Okay.
Any other question?
Yeah, that's all. I'm okay.
Sorry,
Seriously.
please. How do we get this ruler? Or how do we do? I don't know how to do the ruler.
See the
You
ruler is here. You see this calibrated part here. Can you see that?
Yes.
That's where you get the ruler. Let me check here to activate that ruler from here. It's not from files. It's not from edit. It's from view.
check
Yes, I
view.
know it's from view. Show or hide ruler. So from menu, from your main menu here, if your own is not
Okay.
showing, so you come to main menu, you come to view, you come to ruler. So if you toggle it on, if you toggle it off, it goes out. Then if you toggle it on, I guess it's control R. No, let me check that shortcut key. View. Okay, ruler is shift R. Shift P and R to on your ruler. Shift P and R to off your ruler. You see that?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that's great.
Thank you.
Yep. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right. So you guys should just try your best. You have to be fast with that, right? Work on this. Let's move to another phase. Let's move to another phase and say goodbye to this part. See you guys on Monday.
Hello,
Yeah, well, I'm with you. I said
anybody?
see you on Monday.
No.
Yeah,
No. Okay, no. Talk. You want to some things? No, not you, sir.
you want to do what?
No, we just want to discuss some things among you, sir. It's our assignment.
Okay. I guess I should leave you guys.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.